Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a Master Tech here at Harbor Nissan. I got a question here from Joe S. in Fort Myers. He says that he's one of the people that if it's not broken, don't fix it. He's wondering, is that a good way to take care of your car? You know, my personal opinion, I would say no. There's a lot of systems in your car that need preventative maintenance to keep costly repairs from happening. For example, your brake system. You have to flush your brake fluid. The fluid is called hydroscopic. It absorbs water from the air. So you get water in your brake system and now you have rust. Down the road you're going to end up having calipers fail and lock, and it's going to cost even more when it comes time to do a brake job. You're going to have to replace your calipers and rotors, where normally you could just throw some pads on it, resurface the rotors, and you're good to go. So Joe, I would change your philosophy. Let's do some preventative maintenance to keep your car working how it should.